All right, let's learn how to remove those pesky black bars from your video in Premiere Pro 2023. Here's a simple method to do it. So let's say you've got your video clip in the timeline, but you don't want those black bars. Here's what you do. First, select the clip you want to edit. Then, head over to the Effect Controls panel. Now, look for the Scale option and adjust it until the black bars disappear. Keep scaling until they're gone. Just be aware that this method will crop the image slightly. If you prefer not to crop the image, here's an alternative method. Right-click on the sequence in your timeline and select Reveal Sequence in Project. This will highlight the sequence in your project panel. Now, right-click on the sequence in the project panel and scroll down until you find Sequence Settings. Click on that. In the Sequence Settings window, adjust the frame size to crop out the black bars. You'll want to adjust the height to remove the bars. Play around with the numbers until you get it right. Once you've adjusted the frame size, click OK to apply the changes. You may need to do this a few times to get it just right, and there you have it. The black bars should now be gone from your video clip. It's that simple. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. See you next time.